Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is DawnDoesLife, and today I'm going to be showing you some items from GBFKE. They reached out and asked me if they could send me a few items to show all of you, and I thought that would be a really fun first video. It's been a hot minute since I've filmed a video, and the first item I'm going to show you is this pen, and I'm just going to bring this up. So this is a clear resin pen that is filled with all of these little hearts and stars and more hearts and circles, and I see some little clovers in there. It's really, really cute, and it's different than any of the other pens I have. Like, most of the pens I have are blues and oranges and reds and greens, and I just wanted something a little bit different. Now this also came with a bag of tips for it. There's several different size tips, but they're the fatter tips, so I don't generally use them. I thought it was cool that they sent them anyways. But I have one cat-eared tip left, and it is really, really hard to get in here. But, oh, that one went in actually really easy. There we go. That was the side that was a bit harder. And then I've got like a little 4-placer. I think I'll probably switch it out for a bigger one, but or maybe I'll look for one of my metal ones. But yeah, so the tip fits on really, really good. It's really nice and snug in there on both ends. So this pen, I'm going to give everything in US funds. The pen was $6.40 USD. And the second item goes with this, and I thought this thing was adorable. It is a little cat shaped stand for your pen, and it's got this great big huge mouth. It is so adorable, and you just set it on your table and then stick your pen inside. And yeah, I have seen some ASMR videos where they like toss their pen in or toss something in, and I always wondered because I had never seen one of these, and when I saw this under their accessories, I just again thought it was so adorable, and I thought it was a really cool way to have my pen not just laying flat and possibly rolling off the table. So this pen stand was $4.99 US, and again, I think it's so cute, and it's got good weight to it, and I guess it would have to, if it's gonna hold a pen, it would have to have some weight, and there is just no problem with this thing tipping over at all. Next one is a diamond painting, and it is for the holiday season. I didn't have anything to do this year. I wanted something that was in the Christmas theme, and I didn't know what I was going to do, and I was really happy when I saw this one. So this is called the December Dessert Cup, and they do have this in every month of the year. They're all the cups are themed different. I just thought it was completely cute. Love the fact that there's lots of color blocking in this one, and I'm actually really quite impressed the more that I look at this, that the drill field is super, super clear. There's not going to be any problems. There's not a whole lot of confetti in this. There is some, but not too much, and lots of white. So I was thinking this is a 40 by 40. It's got 20 colors. The legend is completely in letter. I'll just show that to you really quick. So nothing too complicated, nothing too fancy, and because of the color blocking or the amount of white, I'm thinking it's going to go hopefully pretty quick, because we're already in the middle of the middle of November. I just about said December. What is going on with my head? I'd be in big trouble if it was the middle of December. I'm so not ready. So yeah, I was really happy I found this. Now let's just do a really quick measure. This is usually not exactly what they say it's going to be. So this is just shy of 35 across and just over 34.5 up and down. So usually about 5 inches. You lose about 5 inches on the budget paintings, and that seems to be about right with this one. The drills on this, I'm not going to take them out of the package, but they seem to be all pretty good. I looked at them. I didn't see a whole bunch of junk. I did see a couple. Did I see? I thought I saw some scragglers somewhere. Maybe I shook them around and now I can't find them. But lots of white, as of course you can imagine. And that one is the 3865 white. So kind of like the off-white, winter white. I don't know what they call it. So the rest of the drills look pretty good. Of course, you won't know until you start working with them, but they seem like they'll be okay. And so far as stick factor, let's just check this out really quick. Nice stick factor. Now this is the more stiff canvas. It doesn't have a really soft feel, but that doesn't bother me. That's just information for you. And I do like that they do have the sparkle. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but the canvas does sparkle. It does have the sparkle. I remember when I first started diamond painting thinking that was just the coolest thing if there was sparkle in the canvas, and now I see it quite often, but I still think it looks nice. It doesn't really serve any purpose, but it does look nice. So that was the first one. Just gonna stick that one away. Now the second one, oh, okay, this one, you guys. This one I saw, I'm just gonna fold it in half here. It's quite long. This one I saw, oh, the canvas, sorry, the December canvas, the December dessert cup was $6.50 US, just so you know. I forgot to tell you. And so this one, okay, this one when I saw it, I was like, ooh, this is gonna either be really, really cool or it's gonna be awful. And I was not sure what I was gonna get, but I was really kind of intrigued. I thought this was a really cool picture. It's an abstract picture. It's called Stars and Moon Waves. And I don't understand that, and you'll see why I don't understand that in a second, but it's 40 centimeters by 70 centimeters. So look at this, you guys. I thought it was so cool looking, and like I said, I was so intrigued. I was really not sure if it was gonna be okay, and I am so happy with it. It looks really, really good. I'm hoping, I have such high hopes that this is gonna turn out really cool. And again, I don't know why they call it moon and stars, stars and moon waves. I mean, I do see something that could be a moon. I do see some things that could be stars. But honestly, the centerpiece of this painting is like the mountain kind of view. And I love how it's sort of just, there's this dark background and then it just is bursting out of it. So I really, really like it. And it goes all the way down there. And I'm not going to measure this one because I can't even get this whole thing in the screen for you guys to see it. I'll do the sideways. Am I in the centimeters? So this one is 35 across, and I'm not gonna do the lengthwise. It is long. It's gonna take me a while to do this, but I'm really looking forward to it because, like I said, I just think it's kind of neat. And there is a lot of color blocking on this one, which I was also pretty happy with. I'm not gonna say there's no, I mean, I do see a tiny bit of confetti, but lots of color blocking. Sorry, it's so long. I'm trying to hold the whole thing. I have to fold this up just to show you. So there are 30 colors on this one. Starts off with numbers, goes up to 8. There are some letters, and then at the very end you'll see 2 symbols, the percentage sign and the asterisk. There are DMC codes on this one as well. And there is also sparkle on this canvas as well. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but again, the drill field looks really, really good. Very impressed with that. Think it's gonna look really cool. Don't know when I'll get to it, like I said, or if I said, I'm not sure if I said, but I am really happy I got this. I'm happy that I pulled the trigger on this one because again, like I said, it could have gone either way, and looking at it, it looks pretty cool. And just a quick look at the drills on this one. This one, they're all bagged separately, and the bags are numbered 1 through 30. I don't see any duplicate bags in here, just at first glance. I don't see that, but anyways, I'm not gonna open it up, but you can see it's just like a rainbow of colors. It's really bright colors, and then some dark ones as well. Nice colors, I think. Pretty colors. Okay, so I didn't tell you the price on that one. Just to let you know, this one was $11.83 US. But here it is, you guys. This is GBFKE. Thank you so much to them for sending this to me to show you guys, and thank you guys for hanging out with me and letting me show it to you. I will have links to all of these products down in the description as well as to their site. And then also they do have a Facebook page. I'll have it up on the screen here. But I will have the link to their Facebook page down in the description as well. So you guys can go and check them out and show them some love and take a look at their catalog. And with that said, if you guys like the video, I would really appreciate it if you gave me a thumbs up, and then also subscribe if you have not already. All of those things absolutely help the channel, and I appreciate you guys so much for doing that. And that's where I'm going to leave it. Again, a thank you to GBFKE, and a thank you to you guys for patiently waiting for me to come out with another video. I appreciate it. And the only thing left to do is go grab somebody you love, give them a hug, show them how much you appreciate them, tell them how much you appreciate them. Not enough of that going on in the world right now, and the world could use a little bit more of that. That's where I'm going to leave it. I love you guys. Working on my hand heart, and I will catch you guys all in the next video. Bye.